Yeah, what's up guys, it's Johnny. Welcome to Johnny's Whips. So I was having an issue with the AC system on the 2002 Honda Civic right here. The issue I was having is that the airflow was coming out of the incorrect vents. This is the part that controls that. It's called the mode door actuator. So if you're having an issue with your AC where the airflow is coming out of the wrong vent, then this video here is for you, and I'm gonna link the one down at the bottom to show you exactly how to fix that problem and what parts to replace with a step-by-step video, man. Stay tuned. Anyways, let me go inside the car and show you guys what was going on and the tools you're gonna need to fix the job. So these two are optional. This is going to be the magnet, then also here the tool to remove the pins, a 10-inch extension, a ratchet, a 10mm socket. Ended up bringing out my small little ratchet, and I thought that was going to be small enough to get in there, and I had to go and then purchase an even smaller ratchet. This one here, man, I ended up getting this one. It says that the total length is 4 inches, but the part that really helped is this part here. So look at how this one is. You just put the drill bit in there. Check that out. There, it's ready to use, as opposed to the one on the right hand side here, which is much longer there. And this is going to be the part that you replace. I got this one actually at O'Reilly Auto Parts, and it was about $65. The reason I got it there is because it did come with the plastic piece that you see here and the metal bracket, because there are some that you can purchase just the black motor itself, but then you have to take this part off, that part off, and then put it onto the new one. I just didn't want to deal with all that. Now let me show you guys a video of what this thing was doing before I replaced it. The air would be blowing out of these top vents here, you know, directly to the face, and then as I'm driving, all of a sudden it drops, and then I feel the air just come out of the bottom part there where your feet go. So it was just going back and forth, back and forth. It got worse and worse. It started happening more often. So what I did to test it out was that I opened up the glove box. I took everything out of there. I removed the pins here. The AC was on, and then I felt it happen, and I was like, okay, the air stopped blowing from the top vent and it's blowing from the lobe vents, the ones below. So I went in there and I checked, and this is what I saw. Check it out, guys. Check that out, man. Nobody's moving the knob over here, and it's moving on its own. You guys can see it. Looks like the motor was already failing, and that's the reason why we replaced it. I'm gonna link the video down at the bottom to show you guys how to replace that part. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. Johnny's Whips.